One of the most common Python dictionary mistakes is trying to access a key that doesn't exist, which immediately crashes your program with a key error. Let's explore the right ways to check if a key exists. The most Pythonic way to check for a key is using the in operator. Simply write if key in my dict, and you get a clean Boolean result. This works because dictionaries in Python implement membership testing with the contains method, making it both readable and efficient. Another excellent approach is the get method. Instead of checking first and then accessing, you can write my dict.get with a key and an optional default value. If the key exists, you get its value. If not, you get the default. This pattern is especially useful when you want to handle missing keys gracefully. You can also use the keys method by writing key in my dict.keys, though this is more verbose than an operator alone. For the Pythonic easier to ask forgiveness than permission style, you can wrap dictionary access in a try, except block to catch key error exceptions. This works well when missing keys are exceptional cases. Here's what matters for performance and best practices. The in operator has O of 1 average time complexity because dictionaries use hash tables internally. This makes key lookups incredibly fast even with millions of entries. For most situations, stick with the in operator for explicit checks, or use get when you need a default value. Avoid keys method since it's redundant, and reserve try except for truly exceptional scenarios. Remember, the in operator is your go-to for checking dictionary keys in Python. It's fast, readable, and Pythonic. Practice these patterns, and you'll handle dictionaries like a pro. Thanks for watching. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.